Yes, yes, sir, please. Yes. Hello, hi, namaste. This is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu. Welcome to the session. Hi. Hey Ayushi, hey Sanvi, hi Suhita, hey Suchi, hi Srilata. I'm good. How are you? Good evening. Hello. Hi, sweet mama. Hello. Hi, Sneha. Yep, you can see now. Yo. Hi, Sanatan. Good evening. I'm good. How are you? What's up with you? Hanji. Hi, Sanvi. Hello. Hi, Shilata. Okay then, so we'll start the session. So this is study of acids, bases and salts part 2. You might be wondering why there are two parts for in one shot. So this is kind of a big chapter, and I know, so after 45 minutes you'll be like, ma'am, we are done. We can't listen to this anymore. So that is the reason we have just divided this chapter into two parts, and there'll be Menti at the end. So make sure to stay till the end and have fun. Okay? Excited? Okay, then come on, give me a high five. Let's get started. And if you are here for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, click on the bell icon so that you can attend all the amazing sessions. Oh, yeah. And if you want to take up the pro subscription, so once you are a pro subscriber, you can attend unlimited live classes with fun and high level quizzes. You will be competing with the students all over the world. Isn't that fun? It sure does. Sounds fun. So even when you're watching the replay, you can still play the quiz and be on the leaderboard. If you have any doubts, so there will be in-class doubt solving. You will have a class teacher, master teacher who solves your doubts instantly. There are different varieties of courses like micro courses, crash courses, and once you are a pro subscriber, all of these you can enroll into any of these courses for free. But make sure to use the coupon code SURPRO because till 14th, only till tomorrow, there is this amazing offer. So you will be getting 50% off up to 1,500 rupees. But you need to use the coupon code SURPRO. Hi Krishna. What? Chulabi? When are you gonna just forget that language? Huh? You're a small fan. Okay, thank you. Which one? The table one? Oh, that's nice. Me too, do. Okay. I don't know what you say. What is that? Hi, Tanzila. Lots of love. Thank you, Indrajit. Thank you so much. Hey, Vasanti. Hi, Rohan. Hi, Krishna. Hey, Asmi. Hello, Sanchit. I know, right? So there are these 3 to 4 girls, I guess. Even Sanchit uses that, no? Dood morning. Chulabi. Chalo, we'll start with the session study of acids, bases and salts part 2. We are done with part 1. We will be starting part 2. Ready for it? Hi. Hello. How to say hello in your language? It's hello only. Huh? Or cholo, cholo, something like that. Okay then. So how strong are acids or base solution? What do you think? They are strong or weak, or you don't know. You can't just say without knowing about what are they made of or concentration of ions. All the very best. Hi Sanju. Hello Nahit. Hello. No, Indrajit, but I guess you have attended my session, no? Previous session. Can't say. Yes, very good. So before going further, here is a question. So can you tell me which one will be stronger, which is the stronger acid? HCl or H2SO4? What do you think? HCl or H2SO4? I'm not talking about king of chemicals and everything. Okay, so let's consider concentrated HCl, concentrated H2SO4. Which one will be stronger? Thank you, Tanishq. Hi Sudarshan, hello. H2SO4. Why? Why? Because as we know, HCl and H2SO4 both are strong acids because they undergo complete dissociation. Nah. Huh. So why do you think it is dibasic? So, it's not at all related to the bonding between hydrogen and Cl. Are you sure? Then HCl. So if I'm asking, are you sure? Then you will just change your answer. Huh? Oh, that's good, Sudarshan. Congratulations. High five. Hi, Sony. So basically the acid or a base or a neutral solution, so once only when you add them to water, you will know, right? So whenever I want to define an acid, what I say, so a substance when added to water, if it is producing H plus ion, then it is called as an acid. Or a base which produces hydroxyl ion. So everything may be only when you add it to water. In bases, of course, we have water insoluble bases as well, but the alkalis which we generally use only when you add it to water, if they are producing hydroxyl ions, that's on that basis we call it as a strong acid, strong base and everything, right? Or if it's neutral or not. Now coming to water, what do you think? Why do you think it is neutral? Because as far as I know, water can be ionized. Okay, it does undergo ionization to form hydronium ion and the OH minus ion. Still it is neutral. Why? I will tell you the answer because we have added the answer in between the slides, but I want you to think, and by then I will tell you the reason also. After that again I'll ask you, then you will answer. Yes, ma'am, from the electrochemical series we know SO4 2 minus is higher than Cl minus. See, it's not about, for example, an acid is always about how easily a substance can give out hydrogen ion. Don't you think? If the bonding between sulfate and H hydrogen is strong, then losing that hydrogen will be difficult for that compound. Don't you think so? If whatever you are saying, sulfate or chloride, which is more stronger, which forms a stronger bond, then it's about like how easily hydrogen can be removed from that compound. Hai na? Yeah, so what do you think? You think so? So I want you to think, okay? It's okay even if you don't know or you end up giving the wrong answer. It's fine, just think. So in case of water, so there will be equal amount of hydronium and hydroxyl ions, right? It ionizes to a very small extent. So if you see, it's a reversible reaction. So H2O, it will undergo ionization to form hydronium. I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened. Yeah. We'll just continue. Just give me a minute, people. Arey, kya ho gaya? Can you all see me? Yeah, you can see me, right? I don't know, it was fine. So my UPS is working. Yeah, we'll just wait for a few minutes. If it doesn't come back, then I'll just have to end the session. So water ionizes to a very small extent. Do not get scared. This is your Surabhi ma'am only. Okay. And please don't take screenshots. Sanatan. Ionic product of water. So what is this ionic product of water? The concentration of H3O plus and OH minus ion is found to be 10 power minus 7 mole per liter. So this is exactly the reason why we say the pH of water is 7. Okay, so if concentration of some base is 10 power minus 12 mole per liter, so its pH will be 12. You're getting it? How is it related? Please don't get scared, people. It's not booth. Yeah. The concentration of H3O plus and OH minus ions in pure water is found to be 10 power minus 7 mole per liter. So that exactly is the reason the water ka pH will be 7. Yes. Okay, wait. So, but the ionic product, it depends on the temperature also. So, as there is increase in temperature, the concentration of H3O plus and OH minus ion increases, but the product of H3O plus and OH minus remains same. So this is what is the ionic product. Okay, Kw. So constant at the equilibrium, see the amount of H plus and OH minus, or the H3O plus and OH minus ion will remain same, the product will remain same. So when I add acid to it, so obviously the amount of H plus ion increases. When I add base to it, the amount of OH minus ion increases, but still the ionic product will remain as a constant. Yes? Yes, very good. So on adding acid to water, as I said, the concentration of hydronium ion increases and that of hydroxyl ion decreases. Okay, so obviously H plus ion increases, the OH minus ion ka concentration decreases, but the ionic product, that is Kw, remains the same. Okay, so we'll just wait for another 5 minutes. If it isn't back, then we'll just have to end the session. So acids are the chemicals which dissociates into H plus ion when dissolved in water, right? This is something we all know. So acids, when it is added to water, it will dissociate to give H plus ion. So those are the substances that can be called as an acid, right? The more will be the H plus ion, the stronger will be the acid. So what about the strength of an acid? The dissociation of H plus ion in water depends on the strength of the bond between hydrogen and other component. The dissociation of H plus ion in water depends on the strength of the bond between hydrogen and other components. So can you tell me now which is the stronger acid, HCl or H2SO4? What do you think? You're having fun, no? Huh? Please come back. Don't do this to me. Ghost has come, yeah. So this is not Surabhi ma'am. H2SO4. Don't end. No, I won't end. But I really hope the power will be back. Too much fun. Okay. Now answer. Tell me the answer. I think bond between H and Cl is stronger. H2SO4. I feel there will be polarity H plus. What do you think? H2SO4. So the stronger the bond, the lesser will be the dissociation, right? So obviously the hydrogen, the chloride is holding on to hydrogen, sulfate is holding on to, there is force of attraction between them. So if the bond is stronger, you cannot remove hydrogen. So the dissociation will be less. The acid ka strength will be less. You're getting it? So which one will be stronger? HCl will be stronger because of the difference in the electronegativity. So there is always this already this polarity has been induced. Okay, so H2SO4 bond is stronger than HCl. So obviously HCl will be stronger than H2SO4. Okay, in terms of the acidic nature, as almost like all the hydrogen can be easily dissociated. So HCl is more acidic than H2SO4. Yeah, got it? Okay. Now coming to the strength of a base. So bases are the chemicals which dissociates into OH minus ion when dissolved in water. Right? So this is something we all know. Hanji. Yes. No, I am saying HCl is more acidic than H2SO4 because of the dissociation. The stronger the bond, the lesser will be the dissociation. So if I have to compare HCl and H2SO4, HCl will be stronger because the bonds between hydrogen and chloride is weaker. Getting it? Arjun, don't ask me. It's a sad story. Okay now people, please. Yeah, the degree of dissociation will be more. Now coming to the strength of a base, bases are the chemicals which dissociates into OH minus ion when dissolved in water. The more will be the OH minus ion, obviously the stronger will be the base. So it's about the dissociation. For example, we have ammonium hydroxide, which is a weak base. Why is it called a weak base? Because it cannot undergo complete dissociation. Okay? It's buffering now? Okay, then this is not good. Oh, what happened? So, you know what I'll do? I'll just start the Menti now. Okay, just give me a minute. Now this is going to be more scary. It's not buffering. Oh, okay then. Yeah, so people, can you all see? So you can go to www.menti.com and use the code 1010636669. Don't worry, I will take this session again, I guess. It's not buffering, no? Yeah. I guess my internet will also go now. Really, Soumya, like this? Okay. Chalo. If light comes, then of course we will continue the session. Don't worry. Okay. If the power is back, then I will continue the session. And all the new students, no, this is not how I conduct the session. I don't know what's wrong. I'm sitting in a dark room and there is no one. My friends left. Chalo. So here's your first question. I'm starting. But my internet is working fine. How come? For what? Ask me. Shall I start? Yes? पीछे देखो चिपकली है. No. Shall I start, everyone? Come on, come on. 3, 2, 1. And all the new students, the old ones, please tell them no. You know, usually my room will be very bright, like my personality. But I don't know what has happened today. आज तो मेरा luck ही खराब है, you know. So I had went out for breakfast. We left at 10. We traveled for 26 kilometers just to have idli. You know, you all know idli, right? Idli? And yeah, by the time we came back, we were hungry. And it was time for lunch because it was already 2 o'clock. And as soon as we came back, we entered the house, we could see water everywhere because there was some problem in the sink thing and we had to clean it. So my day is very bad today. Chalo. I know. So here's your first question, but still we'll just finish the Menti at least. Methyl orange is. Red in acidic medium, yellow in basic medium, yellow in acidic medium, pink in basic medium, colorless in acidic medium, pink in basic medium, pink in acidic medium, colorless in basic medium. So about the indicators, we have already discussed the acid base indicators. So what do you think will be the color change? Thank you so much. Thank you. It's okay, Sanvi, I know. I don't think I can take other sessions also now. Misclick, why? This is easy peasy. Very good. Red and acidic medium, yellow and basic medium, na? Yay, it's back, it's back, it's back. Now we are gonna continue the session. Okay? So on the leaderboard we have Tiger Baby, oh, Sanvi, Gahana, Harshat, who is this teddy bear? Shriya, no? I know. Anjali, Ayush, high five, no? Shriya is here. Homogeneous Himanshu, that's a nice name. Jayanti. I know. Yes, finally you can look at my face. So we will be solving another 2 questions, okay? Then we'll get back to the session. Party, party, party. Which of the following statements is correct about an aqueous solution of an acid and of a base? Dear new students, ये रोज का है. रोज का है? No, Vidhi is lying, okay? Don't listen to her. What is this? Higher the pH, stronger the acid. Higher the pH, weaker the acid. Lower the pH, stronger the base. None of these. Which of the following statements is correct about an aqueous solution of an acid and of a base? Higher the pH, stronger the acid. If the pH of a substance is 12, then it's a stronger acid. Huh? How? So obviously higher the pH, the weaker the acid, no? So H plus ion concentration and the pH is inversely proportional. Higher the pH, weaker the acid. The base will be stronger. Got it? Yes? Everyone? No, okay, they are lying. Huh? So on the leaderboard we have Sanvi, Harshit, Gahana, like how to pronounce your name. Ayush, Kwahish, hello. Jayanti, Shriya, Sanju loves chemistry. Homogeneous, Himanshu, Vidhi, Chulabi. You must be glad that I can even, at least I can understand what you are writing. Huh? So question number 3. No, it is Surabhi. Okay, it's Surabhi. Do not change my name. Identify the pH of a solution that turns blue litmus red. 8, 6, 9, 10. Identify the pH of a solution that turns blue litmus red. What's the gift if we win in Menti? बहुत सारा प्यार. Identify the pH of a solution that turns blue litmus red. See, obviously it has to be acidic and pH range is 0 to 14. 0 to 7 will be acidic, 7 is neutral and 7 to 14 will be basic. So here 8, 9, 10, so obviously they will turn red litmus blue, but this substance with pH 6 will turn blue litmus red. Okay? You did elimination here. Oh, good. So now, I'm so sorry to say this, but we have to get back and we'll cover whatever we are left with. So strength of an acid or a base. No, you will get love every day, every single day. ETPT. So can we quantitatively find the amount of H plus or OH minus ion present in the solution? What do you think? It's a question for you guys. What do you think? Yes or no? Window is nice. Oh, you could see the plant and what is that called? something. Oh God. You know what? We are just gonna end this session. I'm so sorry. Don't worry. So I'll be taking one more session for ICSE students. This is not gonna. I don't think I can continue like this. So we'll just finish the Menti. Yes. Yeah. So we'll just finish the Menti. ठीक है? So on the leaderboard we have I want to just delete this session. So Salvi, Harshit, Gahana, Sriya, Jayanti, Kwahish, Sanju, Homogeneous, Prasoon, Vidhi. What's happening? Huh? Question number 4. Which of the following does not form an acidic salt? Which of the following does not form an acidic salt? Phosphoric acid, carbonic acid, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. So obviously it has to be a weak acid, right? Laugh. What to do? Which of the following does not form an acidic salt is the question. Very good, carbonic acid, because carbonic acid, that is CO3. You know, we have sodium carbonate, potassium carbonate. They will be basic salts, no? है ना? Yeah. H2CO3 is carbonic acid. Very good. So on the leaderboard we have correct. Good. Sriya, Harshit, Sanju, Kwahish, Jayanti, Vidhi, Prasoon, Homogeneous, Himanshu, Saumya, Akshat. Very good. And if you have not liked the session, do like it. I know I can't ask you to like the session, but please understand my situation. You are given 3 unknown solutions with pH value as 6, 8 and 9.5 respectively. Which solution will contain maximum OH minus ion? So look at the pH and then guess. Yeah, exactly. For Menti it will be back. Once I start teaching, I don't know. What does chemical equilibrium? See, you have reactants and products, okay? So when the concentration of reactants and the products, it will become constant at any time. That is what is known as equilibrium. Okay? Yes. So you are given 3 unknown solutions with pH value as 6, 8 and 9.5 respectively. Which solution will contain maximum OH minus ion? Look at the pH. So greater the pH, higher the pH, the amount or the concentration of OH minus will be more. Okay? Lower the pH, the concentration of H plus ion will be more. So here obviously the third solution with pH 9.5 will have the maximum amount of hydroxyl ions. It means we should only do Menti. Hi Jeevan. So on the leaderboard we have Sriya, Kwahish, Jayanti, Sanju, Harshit, Vidhi, Homogeneous, Himanshu, Saumya, Akshat. The last one is, please let me know. आपका असली वाला nickname. What does it mean, असली वाला? See, even light, the power supports Menti. Because it'll be always like Menti, no? Very good. Oh no, over. Yes, Santipriya, it's done. So so the ICSE students, don't worry. So what I'll be doing is I'll just record the whole session and we will just premiere it again. I'm so sorry for all the trouble which you guys had to go through. You had to see me like that. I'm so sorry for that. Thank you so much. That container, which container? Acha, the flask. Okay. I'm not sure. I don't think so. Full maza aa gaya. हाँ. No, I won't. Don't worry. So real nickname, I have got like few nicknames which I can't reveal. So thank you so much. Yes, this was not a very a great session, but I hope you had fun. And don't worry, the rest of the topic. So what I'll do is I'll just record it and we'll just premiere it. I'll see you again on Monday. Till then, take care. Keep loving chemistry, elementary chemistry by Vedantu. Give lots of love to the channel. And I'm so sorry. I hope you will just ignore what happened today. But it was fun nonetheless. Thank you. Yeah, Menti. It went well. Great time. Okay. Santi, we have started here. We have started with previous year question papers for ICSE. So we will be continuing it. Okay, next week there will be one session. Don't worry. So with the, is that a song? Will understand. That's so sweet. Thank you so much. Just talk. Then I can teach, no, instead of talking. Huh? And all the best. If you are, why are you wishing her? You have an exam tomorrow? See, ICSE the deleted portions, Kwahish. That we are planning to do, don't worry. Practical chemistry we will be starting in the month of March, second week. Okay? Yeah. What's my name? It is Surabhi. Chalo, thank you so much then. Bye-bye. Take care. Yes, sir. Yes. Oh, NTSC, right? Tomorrow is 12th. All the very best, people. All the very best. Come on, give me a high five. Do well. Thank you. Bye-bye.